You good, bro?
Just
You were playing a lot last night.
I ate 10 marshmallows last night.
What?
I ate 10 marshmallows last night.
10?
I thought that was a wasp, but it was a bird.
Yeah.
It was like a... Yeah, actually, but it's just one button. She just burned my hand. She just burned my hand. Instead. Ow.
Nilaro ko yung doon sila kalaro. Hindi sumasama-sama. Ano ba pang hiray? Hindi ko pa si Riley ka